We live in an era of the instant flex. In a world where your value is often measured by a 3-second scroll on a smartphone, the symbols we choose to represent us have never been more loaded. Welcome back. Today, we are not just looking at toys. We are looking at psychological anchors. We're unboxing 2 pieces from Mini GT that represent the peak of a specific human desire: the need for immediate validation. We have the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in silver and the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan in digital camouflage. On the surface, they are beautiful die-cast models, but beneath the paint, they represent the widening wealth gap, the aggressive nature of modern success, and the irony of hiding in a digital world. Grab a coffee. Let's talk about why these 2 models are the ultimate instant flex. But wait, if you want true validation, the kind that even the old money respects, you need a foundation. Enter the pop race Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in gunmetallic gray. While the Bugatti and Lambo are about the instant flex, the R32 is about the industrial flex. This car represents the Japanese bubble economy of the late 80s, a time of immense global shift. The R32, Godzilla, didn't ask for respect, it took it on the track, defeating every European rival. Why pop race? This is not just another R32. Pop race has changed the game in 1/64th scale. Unlike the Mini GTs we just saw, this model often features opening parts, specifically the hood. Underneath, you see the RB26DETT engine in miniature. The gunmetallic gray is the holy grail color for the R32. Pop Race has nailed the flake size in the metallic paint. It's tiny enough to look realistic at scale, not like glitter. The headlights are clear plastic inserts with lenses behind them, giving it a soulful look. This model serves as the validasi for the collector who knows their history. It says, "I might have the flashy Lambo, but I respect the engineering that paved the way." In a world of fast fashion and disposable trends, the R32 is a global symbol of durability and real power. It's the car for the person who built their wealth through grit, not just luck. If the Bugatti is the old money dream made into a new money hypercar, then the Mini GT LB Works Lamborghini Huracan is the Rebel's Manifesto. Liberty Walk, or LB Works, is famous for one thing: cutting up million-dollar cars to make them look meaner. This model captures that hacked aesthetic perfectly. The rivets on the wide-body fenders are visible under a magnifying glass. The stance is low, the rubber tires are wide, and the rear wing is a structural masterpiece in miniature. But look at the digital camo. The print quality here is insane. There's no bleeding between the pixels of the camouflage. The irony is palpable. Camouflage was invented to hide soldiers in the woods. But on a Lamborghini, it's used to do the exact opposite. This is tactical flexing. It reflects our current global state, the attention economy. In a world of constant noise, you have to wear a loud pattern just to be noticed. It connects to the digital trend of virtual identities. We hide behind avatars and filters, just like this Lambo hides its lines behind pixels. Yet all we want is for someone to look at us. Let's see Bugatti. This is not just a car, it's a vision. Originally designed for a video game, it represents the moment engineering stopped being about transport and started being about pure, unadulterated ego. Mini GT has mastered the 1/64th scale here. Look at the silver finish. It's not just paint, it's a liquid metal effect. In the diecast world, achieving this without looking like a cheap chrome toy is difficult. The material feels dense. The zinc alloy body gives it a gravity that mirrors the $5 million price tag of the real concept. Notice the aero fins. Look at the horseshoe grille. Even at this scale, the carbon fiber detailing on the side skirts is printed with a precision that demands respect. Why is this an instant flex? Because a Bugatti is the universal language of "I have arrived." But consider the global context. As the world grapples with sustainability and the end of the internal combustion engine, the Vision GT is a defiant scream from the past. It represents a level of wealth that is becoming increasingly isolated from reality. When you hold this miniature, you aren't holding a car. You're holding the pinnacle of the 1%, a silver ghost of an era where excess was the only metric that mattered. So why do we collect these? Is it just toys? No. In 2026, these are artifacts. The Bugatti is our aspiration for a post-physical world. The Lamborghini is our shield against a world that tries to ignore us. The Skyline is our anchor to a time when performance was earned through steel and sweat. When you put these on your shelf, you aren't just displaying cars. You are displaying a narrative. You are telling the world that you see the trends, you understand the global shifts in wealth and status. In the end, the instant flex is not about the price tag of the diecast. It's about the depth of the story you tell with it. Whether it's the silver curves of a Vision GT or the raw gunmetal grit of an R32, these miniatures remind us that even in a massive, overwhelming world, we can still hold a piece of greatness in the palm of our hand. Which one is your flex? The digital camouflage of the Rebel or the silver armor of the Elite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay driven. Thanks for watching. Until next time.